Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Viper versus the Supra MK5. Let's dive into their core performance. The Viper, a true American legend, packs a massive V10 engine, unleashing over 640 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. On the other side, the Supra MK5, with its turbocharged inline-six, delivers over 380 horsepower and 360 pound-feet. Both cars promise an exhilarating ride, but with distinct power delivery. When it comes to the driving experience, these two beasts offer very different philosophies. The Viper is known for its raw, visceral, and often manual driving feel, demanding a skilled hand. In contrast, the Supra MK5 provides a more modern, refined experience, typically with a quick-shifting automatic transmission. Despite their differences, both vehicles are engineered for exceptional handling and thrilling cornering capabilities, making every drive memorable. Visually, the Viper and Supra stand apart. The Viper boasts an aggressive, muscular design, instantly recognizable as an American performance icon. Its form follows function, emphasizing power. The Supra MK5, however, presents a sleek, contemporary aesthetic, blending modern lines with classic sports car proportions. Inside, the Supra generally offers a more technologically advanced and comfortable cabin, while the Viper focuses on a more driver-centric, no-frills approach. Considering their legacy and value, the Viper is often seen as a collectible, representing a bygone era of raw, unadulterated American power. It's a car for enthusiasts seeking a unique, visceral connection. The Supra MK5, on the other hand, offers a modern, accessible sports car experience, blending performance with daily usability and advanced features. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.